Hello everyone, I'm Chef Joe. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to clean these Dungeness crabs. We're right smack in the middle of harvest season for these Dungeness crabs, and you know what? These are so good. Look at these. These are about, I'd say about 2.5 pounds of sweet, succulent crab meat right here. We're going to clean them. Now, Dungeness crabs are commercially harvested normally in Northern California from December through June. It's off the coast of California, Washington, and Oregon. These are super sweet. Okay, and they get their name from the Dungeness Split, Washington area where they were first harvested. So let's go over to the sink and let's clean these crabs. Okay, here we are at the sink, and what we're going to do first is we're going to remove this, pull this little plate off of here, and then we're going to reach in there with our fingers and we're going to pop off the shell. There we go. Now, a lot of people like to save this stuff in here. They call it the crab butter. I don't particularly care for it, so I'm not going to use it. But, I mean, if you're into that thing, go for it. Next, do the other one. Pop off the little plate. Stick your finger back there. Oops. Put your finger in there and then just pull the shell right off. And I like to try to scoop some of that crab butter out of there. Get rid of that. Now we're going to rinse it off. Rinse. Okay, now we're going to pull the gills off of them. See these little parts right here that are kind of flopping around? That's the gills. We're going to pull those off. Both sides. And we're going to take the mouth off. The other one, take the gills off. Now you don't have to do this yourself. You can probably, wherever you buy your crabs, you can ask them to clean them for you, and they'll be more than happy to clean them for you. But just kind of like doing this, kind of fun. I'm gonna rinse them again. Get this stuff out of there. Okay, now we're going to crack the bodies in half. Boom, just like that. Just like that. And we're pretty much ready to go. You can do whatever you want to do. You can roast them, you can steam them, you can put them in your country boils, your seafood boils. You can put it in your paella, cioppino, anything you want to do. Now you're good to go. And here we have it, our fresh, cleaned Dungeness crab, ready to go. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please remember to ring the bell, click the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, and visit my website at www.chefjoeskitchen.org for more recipes and videos. Remember, food tastes best when it's simple and fresh and straight from the ocean. Bye.